Okay, hey guys, real quick, I just want to show you how to fix something and make sure you do it right. Really helps in the future. So, give me a second. I just want to show you that both of you gave me your photos for Instagram in a document. And so, what happens when you put them in a document is the image itself becomes smaller. It's like actually pasted in the document. It's kind of like making a copy of something and it gets smaller so that it fits in the document. The document's easier to send. It does all kind of things. So when you print this, it would be fine for 8.5 by 11, but these images actually could be printed up to like 16 by 20 and bigger. So you don't really want to make them small because this one would only then be able to be printed 5 by 7, unless that was the size you wanted to print, but that's not always great. And for Instagram, this would be hard because it's then degenerated and degenerated. So you don't get an actual good photograph. So I would want it to be in the purest form when you send it to me. So I just wanted to show you that it's quite easy when you're submitting stuff. Please don't submit on the document because we can do it in a different way. Let me find my internet page. There we go. And then, so what you really want to do is when you have an assignment, go to your classroom page. Go and I just want to make sure we know how to do this. Go to classwork page, go to your assignment, okay, or wherever, however you get to your assignment, and you can add it straight as a JPEG or a raw file or a PDS now, any PSD, any of those will be attached. And what's great about that is if you add it in here, right? So I just browse, I grab whatever my image is, open, and put it in there. What happens is it lives in your drive. So let's say your computer crashes or something goes wrong later on in the future. I have a student right now who lost everything and we're trying to get her artwork even from 5 years ago. It's still in her Google Drive and I still have access to it. So once you put it up as an attachment, you can always search and find it again. So if you had an image that you wanted to find again, it definitely lives in your Google Drive, which is great because it's all right there and can be used again, and it's full size. So any of these can be printed full size. So maybe you made this and you want to print it to be huge, like a poster. It's there. You just download it and can print it. But if you do it on the dock, you're not able to do that. So please try to just upload the photo. It saves you time and it's good for file management. Great. Talk to you guys soon. I'm going to wait on those to put those up on Instagram till you resubmit. Thanks.